Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add transparent shapes and elements to your presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. All right, so navigate to your board on Miro, and I will go with that one here. So what you want to do, guys, is add a frame first. So let me do that really quickly for demonstration purposes. Click into frames here on the left panel. Select one of these templates. Let me go with a custom size frame, and after that you may change the background color. And now for better contrast, I will switch to, let's say, no color or white. Let me go with white. So after that, add a shape by clicking into this shape tool here to the left, and let me add, let's say, a triangle. Draw it here on your frame, and as you can see, it will be a white. You can always change the color here by clicking into that button and select, for example, I don't know, let me go with that outline color here, and the fill color will be, I don't know, orange, for example. So what you want to do, guys, is when you're customizing or editing these colors, fill and outline, you may simply use that slider here under opacity to adjust the transparency, as you can see. There you go. So if I move the opacity slider to the left, it will be barely visible, so almost 100% transparent, guys. And that's how you add transparent shapes to your presentations on Miro. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.